Imagine walking into a professional restaurant kitchen during dinner rush. It's loud, it's hot. Pans are sizzling, flames are jumping, and plates are flying out faster than you can count. At first, it looks like chaos. But if you watch closely, something feels different. Nobody is bumping into each other. Nobody is guessing what to do. And somehow, every dish comes out consistent, clean, and perfectly timed. That's not luck. That's a system. And the system is called the Brigade de Cuisine. The Brigade de Cuisine is basically the kitchen's hierarchy. It's a structured way of organizing a kitchen so that every person has a role. Every role has responsibility, and every responsibility has a leader. And this system didn't just appear randomly. It became popular because of one man, Georges Auguste Escoffier. Many chefs call him the father of modern French cuisine. Back in the late 1800s and early 1900s, kitchens weren't always organized the way they are today. In many places, kitchens were messy, loud, and inefficient. Escoffier changed that. He introduced a system inspired by the military, where the kitchen works like a team of specialists. At the very top of the kitchen is the executive chef, also known as the chef de cuisine. This is the person in charge of the entire kitchen. They create the menu, they manage food cost. They decide how dishes should taste and look, and they set the standard for the whole team. The sous chef is the second in command. If the executive chef is the captain, the sous chef is the one steering the ship every single day. They handle the daily flow of the kitchen. They supervise the team. They make sure prep is done correctly. Then there are chefs de partie, also known as station chefs. Each chef de partie is responsible for one specific section of the kitchen, and this is what makes professional kitchens so fast. Instead of one chef trying to cook everything, you have specialists working together. One of the most respected station chefs is the saucier. The saucier is the sauce chef. They handle sauces, stews, and sautéed dishes done in classic French cooking. Sauce is everything. It's where flavor lives. That's why the saucier role is considered one of the most skilled positions in the kitchen. Next is the râtisseur. This is the chef responsible for roasted meats, grilled dishes, and often fried items too. The râtisseur works with fire, timing, and temperature. One mistake, and the meat is ruined. Then there's the poissonnier. This is the fish chef. They handle seafood dishes, fish fillets, and delicate cooking that requires precision. Fish can overcook in seconds, so the poissonnier has to be fast, careful, and consistent. Another key role is the entremetier. This chef handles vegetables, soups, and starches like rice or pasta. It might sound simple, but it's not, because vegetables and side dishes can make or break a plate. If the vegetables are undercooked, overcooked, or bland, the whole dish suffers. And finally, there's the pâtissier, the pastry chef. This is the person responsible for desserts, pastries, and sometimes even bread. Different tools, different ingredients, different timing. But it's still part of the same brigade. Now, below the station chefs, we have the commis chef. The commis chef is a junior cook that they are the learners. They assist the station chefs, they prep ingredients, and they do the work that keeps the kitchen moving. And honestly, this is where almost every chef starts. Some restaurants combine roles. One chef might handle sauces and meats at the same time, but the idea is still the same. Clear responsibilities, clear leadership, and clear communication. That's how you survive pressure. That's how you serve customers quickly, and that's how you keep quality consistent. So the next time you eat at a restaurant and your food comes out hot, perfectly cooked, and beautifully plated, remember this. Behind that one plate is an entire system. A kitchen hierarchy, a brigade, a team of chefs working like one machine. And now that you know how it works, you'll never look at a restaurant kitchen the same way again. If you enjoyed this explanation, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. And comment below. Which kitchen position would you want to try?